Lessons from Hanuman for the modern man. Lord Hanuman undoubtedly is one of the most idolized and revered character from the Indian mythology. He remains an ideal in many areas. The main purpose of this discussion is to bring forth those skills and characteristics in modern men. Strength. He is the epitome of strength. People pray to him to get strength. It's not simply strength but stamina also. The modern men need that desperately. Dedication and devotion. Lord Hanuman is considered as one of the shining examples of 9 forms of devotions. His dedication and total commitment remains the high point of his character throughout the epic Ramayana. Pursuing your goals. The modern men can very easily learn from him how to put 100% efforts, mental dedication, and the serenity of soul into one's actions. Without doubt, the efforts will bear fruits. Modesty. Lord Hanuman maintained modesty, though he was the greatest among the heroes. He always maintained that God is enabling him to do all things. Ego deflation. Modern men love boasting and feeling proud. The very seed of greatness germinates from the humble attitude of a person. If the modern men remain modest though, keep doing the great things that they are engaged in, they can achieve glory too. Speaking obligingly. Throughout his character play, Lord Hanuman had to speak to various characters in a different setting. He had to talk to Lord Rama and Lakshmana when they approached Rishi Mukha mountain. They had to speak to Sita in the Ashok Vatika. He had to speak to Ravana in his court. All the while he maintained his stature and grace and was called a brilliant conversationist. Communication skills. Do I even need to emphasize the need of great communication need that the modern men have? Almost everywhere it is said that a successful person must have a great communication skill. Adventurous and self-assured. Lord Hanuman was adventurous in his nature. He never stopped exploring. He had a self-belief that he can do it. This landed him in trouble during his childhood when the rishis cursed him that he will forget his strength but will remember if somebody happens to remind. Once reminded, he never doubted himself. Self-confidence. The lot of modern men is the same. They have forgotten their real strength. Once reminded about the fountain of inner strength, they should march forward with firm belief and faith. Great camaraderie. Lord Hanuman was not haughty or proud, though he was considered as the greatest. He shared a sense of camaraderie with other leaders. He allowed them to flourish with their skills and expertise. Team spirit. Without doubt, modern men need to work in teams. The group dynamics has a common thread which revolves around the theme of camaraderie. Lord Hanuman practiced that characteristic always. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.